Illinois Congressman and Ranking Member of the House Select Committee on the Chinese Communist Party, Raja Krishnamoorthi, joins me. Good evening, sir. And if reading the tea leaves, it looks like your statute will be upheld by the Supreme Court. That's just a guess from what they've said. So what happens on January 19th if ByteDance hasn't sold TikTok?
Well, first of all, I hope that happens. I hope they actually divest TikTok so that it continues to flourish. But if for some reason they do not, then it will no longer be available in the Google or Apple stores to be downloaded until such time as ByteDance actually complies with the law.
If you already have it on your phone, do you then have it after the 19th? It just means you can't download it if you're a new joiner to TikTok? Or is it, I mean, what about the people who are already on it?
It will not be removed from people's phones. So it will continue to exist on their phones, but they may not be able to download updates to their app.
You know, the irony of it is that this was a bipartisan bill passed by Congress. And, you know, it always sort of struck me that both the Harris campaign for president and the Trump campaign for president, they both had TikTok accounts while we're talking about national security and TikTok.
Yeah, it's interesting. I don't have it on mine. And it's banned from all government devices, as you know. I think, look, it's legal to have TikTok on your phone. I would just say, please be very cautious about it, because the underlying concern behind this app, Greta, is that ByteDance is controlled by the Chinese Communist Party. ByteDance is what owns TikTok. Under the national security laws of China, ByteDance is required to provide all user data of 170 million Americans to the Chinese Communist Party upon demand. And we know that the CCP has repeatedly stolen tens of millions of records of Americans' personal data, whether it was through the Equifax hack, the Anthem hack, or the Office of Personnel Management hack. They're going to do it again. This is a loaded gun, and we don't want it to become a smoking gun in the form of TikTok.
Is it beyond them seizing my sort of dopey pet videos, or is it once that can they go beyond my app and go into like my contacts or any other information I have on my phone?
That's right. They can go beyond your pet videos to your contacts, to your location data, to your financial data. In fact, ByteDance actually weaponized user data of American journalists using TikTok against them. And these were journalists who are reporting on the close relationship between ByteDance and TikTok. And so this is really very disturbing, that type of access. And so Congress acted on a bipartisan manner.
Indeed, is it. All right, any buyers out there between now and the 19th of January? I think the statute's going to be upheld. That's my guess. But are there any potential buyers of TikTok?
Absolutely. I think you might have heard about the reports of Frank McCourt, the owner of the LA Dodgers. You might have heard about Kevin O'Leary of Shark Tank and others who are putting together bids. There are buyers galore. It's just a question of whether ByteDance is going to pick up the phone and start to sell the app. I hope that the users put pressure on ByteDance as well, because it's time to sell.
And Illinois Congressman and Ranking Member of the House Select Committee on the Chinese Communist Party, Raja Krishnamoorthi, thank you very much for joining me, sir.
Thank you, Greta.